Treasury has been mobilized to, number one, prioritize disbursements to counties to make sure that counties have the necessary resources to deploy intervention to manage this crisis. Number two, we have also directed Treasury to provide resources to our NGCDF and members of Parliament to prioritize the reconstruction of school infrastructure that has been destroyed by the floods. Number three, we have also directed the Treasury, working with the Ministry of Roads and Infrastructure and our military, to provide resources for roads, bridges, and other travel infrastructure that has been destroyed by the roads, by the floods. And we have asked Treasury to work with the resources they have, engage with development partners, and we are also encouraging the private sector to step forward. In fact,